Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing an eyeshadow look. I have a couple palettes picked out. I have no clue how it's going to turn out. So if you are interested to come along for the ride, or you saw the look on my thumbnail and are interested in how I got it, then keep watching. I've already done my foundation. I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I put some lip gloss on so that I would not look so dead. So yeah, the palettes that we're using today are the Alamar Spanglish palette and the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. I'm going to try and mainly stay in the Spanglish palette. However, the Spanglish palette doesn't have like a very deep color to like do on the outer corner. So that's why I needed to bring it back up with a Nubian 2 for this eye look that I have in my eye, or in my mind. We're prepping the eye with some concealer. I am using the e.l.f. What is this? e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the satin finish. For an eyeshadow primer, I actually prefer the matte finish, the 16-hour camo concealer in the matte finish. However, I finished that tube and I am trying to do a like no buy-ish because I have like 20 other concealers that I need to use up. So yeah, I am trying my best to like not waste my makeup and not just throw it away and trying to use it. Starting in the Spanglish palette, I'm going to use it's J-A-J-A-J-A, which I believe in Spanish is pronounced ha. And I'm going to use a Morphe M562. It is a detail blender brush. And I am putting this in/above my crease. I have not set the eyeshadow primer. I've not set the concealer or eyeshadow primer, just going in hot. Next I'm going in to this light pink shade, which I think is called IK Cutie. And I'm using a Morphe M514 and I'm blending out that brown shade. Then just going back in to deepen and define certain colors. Certain colors, the brown shade I mean. Now this is where I think I would like to put a darker color on the outside, but this Spanglish palette doesn't really have a dark color, so I'm going into the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this color Kenya, which is like a brown purple, a purpley brown, a browny purple, and I'm going to just very gingerly like blend that on the outer edge. I'm going to use a Morphe R39, however I do feel like that's a little large. I probably should just use the M514, but I don't have another one of those. So, such is life, I guess. Then I'm going to lay down some concealer for this inner lid part. And I keep going back and forth between if I want to do this like orange shimmer or if I should do like a champagne. I think I should do a champagne. So I'm going to go back into the Nubian 2 palette and use Zuri. And I'm using an Alter Ego number 6 brush to pack that on. Blend the outer corner in a little more. What do we think? This turned out really pretty, huh? Alright, I'm going to go off camera to do the other eye so that we can finish this look. But I like where we are headed. This is like a really pretty, like, neutral special occasion eye, everyday eye. I like it. Alright, Finished this eye, finished the rest of the face, so now we're gonna finish this eye. All I'm going to do for the lower lash line is much of what I did in the crease, taking the small detail brush and going in with this brown shade, the ha 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 ha, and buffing that along the lower lash line, gently and really close to the lashes as well. Then softening that up with the IK Cutie, this light pink shade, using the same brush we used in the crease. Then for liner, I'm just going to do a thin black line with my NYX Epic Ink liner pen. You don't have to use liner, you can use brown. I personally like to use black liquid liner, especially like pen liquid liner, to conceal the lash line, to even out my lash line, as well as to give a bit more definition. Personal opinion, you don't have to though. You live your life the way you would like to. Alright, mascara, using the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni 3D Faux Mink lashes in Natural Doll. These lashes are Dollar Tree lashes, nothing special. I don't know if all Dollar Trees carry all the different styles. My husband bought me a lash bar from Ioni, like directly from them for my birthday. So I have all the styles, but they are carried at the Dollar Tree. And they're my favorite lashes. I will die on that hill. And that's it. This is the look. This is the eye look that we came out with today. I don't think it came out too bad. I mean, it's a neutral eye, but I think what I like about it is the like pink that I blended up into the eyebrow with. It really like softens it up and gives it like a little bit of color. I think this is one of those like neutral eyes that you can wear every day, or you could wear it to like a nice event. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, just like a good pair of heels or a good pair of jeans. Yeah, I like it. I like how it came out. I will link all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you are interested in checking any of those out, you can do it on your own time. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you like eyeshadow videos? Do you not like eyeshadow videos? Do you like this look? Do you not like this look? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.